Then your next video, case study Ladakh and Kerala. It is a very important places of our country, Ladakh and Kerala. The two states are similar, diverse. Today talking about mainly two places, famous places in our country, the Kerala and Ladakh. Ladakh already you know that it is called regions such as Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. It is a desert in eastern Kashmir situated between the Kulal Mountain and the Great Himalayas. This region is culturally and historically linked more than Tibet, and these are linked and between the Tibetan central to Asia. And the here so many religions practiced here, two religion practiced in Ladakh. Buddhism and Islam are the two main religions practiced here or behave. This region is covered of snow for the most part of the year. This region covered is snow for the most part of the year. चारों तरफ covered by snow, बर्फ से भरा हुआ है. This year received very little or no rainfall during the summer season year. Very little or rainfall during the summer season. People are dependent on the melting glacier to meet their water requirement. So people of Ladakh mainly depend for the melting of glacier to meet their requirements. Vegetation is sparse and agriculture practices are limited here because of you know that it is already covered with snow and very little rainfall during the summer season. So agriculture practices are limited here where Ladakh. But people are rear sheep, goats, cows and yaks. People are rear, संभालता है, पालन करता है, sheep, goats, cows and yaks. And they eat milk products and meat. मांस भी खाता है and दूध भी पीता है. Sheep in this region produce pashmina wool. It is a very important. It is a very soft gold. Pashmina wool means goat. God said, चमड़ से बनती है. Different types of cloths. Pashmina wools, already you know that. The names comes from Persian. This words comes from Persian. Pashmina and Kashmiri. Kashmir. Pashmina is Kashmiri wool. It is translated to the soft gold in Kashmir. इसको हम कहते हैं soft gold. Which one is called the soft gold? The Pashmina or Kashmiri wool. It is known as a soft gold in Kashmir. The Kashmir told that Kashmir को कहता है soft gold, which is famous for all over the world. Which is famous all over the world, Pashmina wool. People wear woolen cloths all through the year. हमेशा ये लोग वुलन कपड़ा पहनता है. Why these people are wearing the woolen clothes? Most of the year covered in snow, water of the year, and they receive the very little or rainfall. This region is very snow. The people also wearing the dress of woolen cloths. Since this region has many passes में गुजरता है, बहुत गुजरता है इस साइड में. and it has served as a major trade between Central Asia and Tibet, facilitating trade and cultural exchange with the rest of the world as well as. Ladakh also has a rich oral tradition. And other Kesar Saga, one of the sung means of मौखिक परंपरा है, एक मौखिक परंपरा भी है इधर. केसर सागा गाता है. देन संस्करण को सामुदायिक रूप से समान रूप से ये गाया गाता है और आनंद किया जाता है. केसर साहर, द लोकल वर्जन ऑफ टिबेटन नेशनल एपिक, मीन्स ऑफ an epic of Himalayas, केसर साहा, संग व एंजॉयड बाई द कम्युनिटी एलाइक. ऐसा आनंद से इस कम्युनिटी के अंदर किया जाता है, गाया गाता है. द सॉन्ग ऑफ केसर साहा. एंड अदर प्लेसेस इज already that this is so many historical places are living in the city of Ladakh, and other festival also, fair festival also celebrated here, and so many beautiful attraction places are situated in the place of Ladakh. Kashmir also. Archery is an important sport of Ladakh. Archery, it is celebrated during the summer, and polo game also played here. Polo game भी खेलता है summer season में. Okay, the Ladakh is completed. Next we are going to Kerala. Kerala is known as a land of spices. Kerala को हम कहता है land of spices because spices are cardamom, pepper, cloves, etc. So many spices are available in the land of Kerala. So the Kerala is known as the land of spices. The Kerala is narrow state in the southwest coast of India. Southwest coastal side में, coast of India side में रहता है Kerala. It bordered by hills on the side of the sea on the other. Because of the rich historical influence of different parts of the world, this region has blend of different culture and religions. The place is the Kerala people, you know that the Kerala people, different parts of the world, living in the different parts of the world, settling in other country also, people also settling in other country, and European country, American country, African country, they are settling in other places because of that state is very high literacy state. इस state को हम कहता है literary state कहता है. The number of religions such as Hindu, Muslim, Christians and Buddhism etc. are the practiced here where Kerala. Okay. And Kerala, long coastline of Kerala. Kerala is a long coastline. The one of the long coastline is Kannur. Kannur is a long coastline, and short coastline is the Kollam is the shortest coastline, and Kannur is the longest coastline. And here the people of Kerala mainly depend on fishing. The coastal area, the fertile land climate is suitable for rice cultivation. Rice भी cultivate करता है यहाँ. And other famous for spices are tea cultivations, fish, rice, coconut and vegetable from the staple food. Staple food means मूल भोजन है. Staple food is here rice with fish, fish with rice. The people of eat mostly the dish of rice with fish, coconut chutney, dosha, vada, sambar, and they are eating the different types of food. That is the staple diet. People mostly wear cotton cloth. यहाँ का लोग सबसे ज़्यादा cotton cloth पहनता है. The famous spices of Kerala, such as already I mentioned that, already I given some example. Kerala is known as the land of spices because of the spices like cardamom, pepper and cloves have attracted trade whom came through the sea route for centuries. So many years ago the European traders are coming part of the country. Here Kerala also came Jews and Arab and other Portuguese as last the and followed by the Portuguese के पीछे ये लोग भी हम ये देश में आए थे. With them came their culture and beliefs. वो लोग देश का culture लेके आए, संस्कृति लेके आया है. Some of them are settled in. There is adopted local customs and cultures. Chinawala is a famous fishing nets of Kerala. Chinawala means मछली पकड़ने के एक तरीके से नेट है, जाला है, जाली है, इसको कहते हैं चीनावाला. दिस इज चीन कम्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड ऑफ चाइना. चाइना से चाइनास वर्ड से आया है चाइना. चीनावाला दिस फेमस फिशिंग नेट्स ऑफ केरला वर इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम द चाइनीज नेट्स. द अटेंसिल्स मीन्स जो बर्तन होते हैं ना, अलग अलग सामान खाना बनाने के लिए, फ्राई करने के लिए, सब्जी बनाने के लिए अलग अलग अपन यूटेंसिल्स मीन्स बर्तन इस्तेमाल करता है. इस तरीके से एक यूटेंसिल्स है, इसका नाम क्या है, चीना चट्टी. इट्स अ फ्राइंग फॉर मतलब सब्जी फ्राई करने के लिए, कुछ चीज़ फ्राई करने के लिए एक प्रकार का फ्राई पैन इस्तेमाल करता है. दैट इज मीन्स नोन एज चीना चट्टी. It is believed that the word Chin means cool and cultural background have come together live in harmony. यहाँ लोग यहाँ का संस्कृति के अनुसार खुशी मना जाता है. They are happy, enjoy, lot of enjoy and lot of harmony is there. People all of religions and cultural background have came together to live in harmony. They celebrate festivals. As one for examples, so many festivals is there. The people of Christian, Muslim, Hindu, and people of the Christian celebrated here Christmas. Christmas is the festival of Christians, and Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Bakrid, celebrated for the people of Muslims, and Hindu also celebrated Diwali and other. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is the first local festival है ओणम केरला लोगों को मनाया जाता है. ओणम का दिन में एक बोट राइसिंग ड्यूरिंग द ओणम सेलिब्रेशन बोट राइस में नावों का एक राइसिंग उस टाइम में मनाया जाता है. They celebrated so many festivals are celebrated the people of Kerala like Christmas, Eid, Diwali, and especially Holi also celebrated the people of Kerala. During the festivals Onam is a horror festival. A horror festival में बोट राइस उसमें एंजॉय आदमी लोग बहुत लोग शामिल करता है. आपको देख सकता है बोट राइस. It is mean that during the occasion of Onam is a horror festival celebrated for each and every year. Okay, student class 6, your second video will be continue. Next video I will come back again on tomorrow. Okay, this first of all you learn and each part what factors lead to diversity, and two cases already mentioned here, Ladakh and Kerala. Lot of difference Kerala and Ladakh. History factors is there, geography factor is there, and you read and just read each and every difficult hard words you learn about that. Okay, I will come back next video. Thank you.